Hola, queridos estudiantes, ¿cómo están? Los extraño mucho. And if you don't know what I just say hello and I told you how much I miss you. And okay, I am making this short video just to talk a little bit of what has happened and what's going to happen now. And what has happened is I sent you an email. Actually, I sent you two emails in the weeks before we had the spring break. And in those emails, I was trying to reach out to you and see who was connected with me and who was having issues, or I don't know. So at this point, I have a list somewhere here where it says that everybody from this class has had some kind of contact with me, what is really good, because that means that I can interact with you. So that's point one. Now, point two is I sent a questionnaire, a Google form that I needed you guys to fill and send back so I could have the information. Mainly, I wanted to know what to go over with the review, and also I wanted you to do it so I could see who was connected with me. At this point from this class, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 people who have not completed the questionnaire. So if you haven't done so, you can email me and you can ask me, and I'll send you the form again so I have all your information in the same place. So that's one thing. For the assignment that I posted on April 1st, that was a review assignment based on what I received in the questionnaire, in the survey that I did on the Google form. I have two people who have not submitted that assignment for the one on April 1st. For the one that I posted on April 8th, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 people who have not submitted anything. So that's what has happened until this point. Now we're back from our spring break and we started instruction this time. So now that we started instruction, we are going to have a real assignment. I was trying to think of what we could do for a real assignment. And I got to a book, an electronic book, and we're gonna try that. Now, all this is testing, like trying and seeing how it works. So we're gonna start with the first work. I have some assignments that I want to give you, and those assignments are gonna be in the next video. Okay, this video was only just to say hi, but in the other one, I'm gonna give you the instructions and I'm gonna show you a video where you can see what to do, how to complete your activities. So let's cross the fingers and try for this to work good. We're gonna be back to talking Spanish because I assume that you have forget a little bit, but we still have to practice. I want to give you all the tools that you need for your Spanish too, and that's what we're gonna be working very hard on this, but without getting stressed. Just calm down. All right. Wait for my next video. It is gonna be posted right here. I'll see you in that video.